be a comprehensive 5-minute overview exploring the fundamentals, differences, and real-world applications of AI and ML technologies for professionals and students. Intelligence represents a broad science of mimicking human abilities, while machine learning is a specific subset focused on teaching computers to learn from data without explicit programming. Think of AI as a destination and machine learning as one of several vehicles that can take us there. The relationship between these technologies drives innovation across industries, fundamentally changing how we interact with computing systems. The best example you can consider of a self-driving car AI system uses lane detection algorithms, ML component, to navigate roads safely. So we can say artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. AI encompasses reasoning, learning, and self-correction, whereas machine learning is a subset of AI that provides systems the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. We'll see how machine learning works. First, we start with collect data. It is basically gathering relevant, diverse, and representative datasets that will be used to train the model. The quality and quantity of data directly impact model performance. Then we will start with pre-processing of data. We clean, normalize, and transform raw data into a suitable format. This involves handling missing values, outliers, and converting categorical variables. Then we start with training of model by applying learning algorithms to identify patterns in the training data. The model iteratively adjusts its parameters to minimize prediction errors. Then comes the testing and validation. Evaluate model performance on unseen data to ensure it generalizes well and doesn't just memorize training examples. Finally, model can be deployed. This will require to implement the model in a production environment and continuously refine it with new data and feedback. The real-world example could be that Netflix uses this process to build recommendation systems that analyze your viewing history, compare it with similar users, and suggest content you're likely to enjoy. There are 3 types of machine learning. Supervised learning, which trains on labeled data with correct answers provided. Example includes email spam filters, image classification, price prediction. Unsupervised learning, which discovers hidden patterns in unlabeled data. Examples could be customer segmentation, anomaly detection, topic modeling. Last type is reinforcement learning. It learns optimal actions through trial, error, and rewards. Examples could be game AI, robotic navigation, and resource management. Now you got the fair idea about AI and machine learning. Let's talk about the real-world applications about it. In healthcare, AI systems analyze medical images to detect diseases earlier than human doctors, predict patient outcomes, and personalize treatment plans based on genetic profiles and health histories. In finance area, ML algorithms scan millions of transactions in real time to detect fraudulent activity, evaluate loan applications more fairly, and provide algorithmic trading strategies with millisecond precision. In transportation, self-driving vehicles use multiple ML systems to perceive their environment, predict the behavior of other road users, and navigate safely while optimizing for fuel efficiency. In retail, it can be used in recommendation engines analyze browsing patterns, purchase history, and similar customer profiles to suggest products, increasing satisfaction and sales while reducing inventory costs. Sure, you must have got the fair idea about AI and ML. Now we have reached to the final slide in which we can talk about the key takeaways. Artificial intelligence represents a broader goal of creating machines that can perform tasks requiring human-like intelligence. Machine learning provides the practical techniques and algorithms that enable computers to learn from data and improve with experience. In the end, collaboration is key. The most powerful applications of AI emerge when these technologies augment human capabilities rather than attempting to replace them. As these technologies continue to evolve, maintaining an understanding of their capabilities, limitations, and ethical implications will be essential for professionals across all industries.